Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. So I'm catching up the fire now to shoot the video. And what am I going to shoot in today's video? I am going to do some salt mackerel rundown, pumpkin dumpling, and some boiled food. So that is what I'm going to cook on the outdoor channel for today. And also remember, if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload the content, you'll be the first to receive the content. So I rinse off the mackerel them, and it's pickled mackerel. Rinse them off, and over here I have the water. So I am going to add 2 corks of vinegar into the water, and the vinegar is going to help to reduce the salt in the mackerel and also help to reduce the rawness. So I'm going to scald off the mackerel for 5 minutes. Just to help reduce the salt in the mackerel. Done scald off. And I make it cool off, and then I go grate the pumpkin to make the pumpkin dumpling. So I'm using half of the pumpkin. It's 1 pound, so I'm using half of the pumpkin to make the pumpkin dumpling. So first off, I'm grating the pumpkin. Now put on the pot for the food, guys. So that walk one. So I add a small portion of salt in the pot. I go make the pumpkin. Hold on. I'm gonna make the pumpkin dumpling now. So I'm gonna add some of the flour. So I'm gonna add some salt. So a little bit of salt. So I'm not going to use any water, because remember that the pumpkin contains water. Otherwise the pumpkin contains liquid. So I'm going to mix in the flour. So see, the pumpkin dumpling don't need out. So I'm going to add no water to it. Just mix it till everything becomes perfect. So I just add a little bit of dry flour in it, so they will be much more easier to make. Now I go just add in the pumpkin dumpling then. So I'm going to peel up the yellow yam. Washing them and adding them into the pot same time. So next thing I put in the pot are the sweet potato. So I'm marking the bananas before peeling them. So basically let me just add some cooking oil in the water, and that's what gonna help for not staining up my hands, otherwise prevent my fingers from not staining. Now add some pumpkin in it. So now check on the food them. And the banana done cook. So I go take out the pot. But I have to go finish the vlog inside of the house, like, because the rain really come down and the light not flash. So you know how it go when you come onto the lightning. As you can see, the pumpkin dumpling. So the rain has come down, but we still try to finish the video outside. So I use some scallion, okra, garlic, tomato, bell pepper, onion. So I use some thyme. So I add the garlic. And the onion. And the sauteing it with vegetables. I'm going to use a glass of coconut milk. So I'm going to add in the salt mackerel. Big piece of salt mackerel. So now add some bell pepper. All-purpose season. tomato seed, a little bit, and some fish season. Taste you know, so I go and eat. Yeah man, real outdoor cooking, have a buzz guys, and even when the rain a come down, still I try to make it happen, so I make the coconut cook down a little bit more with the salt mackerel. So the salt mackerel rundown done, and the vlog I come to the end. So this is how I go serve my food in today. To go and simmer down a little bit. Now shear out one of the dumpling. These are the sweet potato. Last thing what I have to do, I fry them plant in here. I really love plant guys, so most of the time I go always see me a fry plant. Plant them done fry. So I'm just taking them out, placing them on the paper towel just to dry off the grease. Alright, that's how I eat for my food today. I eat for a calabash to the video man. Guys, like, share, comment for more awesome video. Peace out.